Have you ever considered how powerful just one day can be? What if you made every choice, every word, reaction, and even your thoughts with intention? For one day, I lived intentionally, and it changed my life forever. Deuteronomy 30:19 says, I have set before you life and death, blessings and curses. Now choose life so that you and your children may live. We often think decisions are small, like choosing coffee or tea. But in God's kingdom, every choice is a seed. Like in physics, every action has a reaction. Every spiritual decision has consequences. In nature, even the tiny flap of a butterfly's wing can spark a storm far away. Likewise, a single decision today, just one, can initiate the breakthrough you have been praying for. Proverbs 4:26. Give careful thought to the paths for your feet and be steadfast in all your ways. What happens when you are unsure of what to do? What do you choose when the decision seems impossible and every path appears uncertain? That is when fear creeps in. Like an elephant trained to believe it is tied down, even when it is free. It is in these moments of uncertainty, doubt, hesitation, that we discover the most crucial question of all. Will I trust in myself, or will I trust in God? 2 Timothy 1:7 reminds us, for God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Fear will keep you paralyzed. It will convince you to stay comfortable, avoid risk, and settle for less than God's intended. But faith dares you to step forward, even when the path is unclear. The more we trust God in our decisions, the more He directs our paths. In business, companies that wait too long to act lose momentum. The same holds true in life. Indecision is a decision, and it is costing you progress. Every day, we make hundreds of small choices. What if you align them all with God's purpose for one day? Proverbs 3:5-6 says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Science confirms that habits compound. Like gravity-shaped rivers or daily drops carved stones, daily obedience form an eternal character. I embrace gratitude, allowing it to fill my heart and mind, leaving no room for the shadows of complaint. I show bold action, stepping forward with determination rather than hiding behind excuses. I show faith, standing strong against the tides of fear that sought to pull me under. Something incredible happened. My peace did not just grow, it overflowed. Not because my day was perfect, but because I had made every decision with intention. Each choice I made was deliberate, allowing me to appreciate the journey I experienced. That one day of being deliberate did not make life easier, but it gave me peace. I was choosing based on faith, not feelings. Isaiah 26:3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. No matter how small, every choice brings us closer to God's purpose or take us further away. Even in business, mission-driven brands tend to last longer. Purpose adds clarity, and peace is its reward. Imagine the possibilities if you were fully present in every decision for one day. What if you responded with wisdom and faith instead of acting out of habit? So now, I have a challenge for you. One day, make every decision intentional. Choose gratitude over negativity. Choose action instead of procrastination. Choose faith instead of fear. Joshua 24:15 says, choose for yourself this day whom you will serve. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Your future is not determined by chance. It is shaped by your choices. Every day you have the opportunity to choose. Will you choose life? Will you choose faith? Will you choose to walk in God's purpose for you, for your life? Let us grow together. If this message resonated with you and made you reconsider the power of your decisions, comment below. What is one decision you will be intentional about today? Subscribe for more faith-driven inspiration. Turn on notification so we can continue this journey together. I pray that God's love, peace, and favor fill your life in ways you have never seen before. You are more blessed than you realize. So get ready. This is your time. Let's go. Your future begins with the choices you make today. Choose wisely.